Okay, we are going to start day 2 of the Lana Halima Canaan letter that she is writing. It's her cover letter to try to get a job with the Juniper Culinary Academy. We have our instructions right here. I'm going to pick this up and move it to the left. Okay, so we've written both paragraphs. So we're going to put our cursor at the end of the second paragraph. We're going to hit enter twice. 1, 2. We're going to go to the insert tab. We're going to insert. Where do the directions go? Insert tab, group, table group, insert table 2 by 4. So insert tab, table group, insert table 2 by 4. Okay, so see how when I've selected 2 over and 4 down, it highlights those. Okay. The next set of directions say to fill in the table information using the tab key on your keyboard to move between the cells of the table. So we need to pull up the information we need in that. So we're going to do that. Food, planning, and preparation. Tab. 30 hours. Tab. Food safety. Tab. Keep tabbing between the cells of the table. Okay, so we filled out that information on the table. We're going to go to direction number 32. When the table is selective and actively being formatted, a new tab is displayed in the ribbon. Table Tools, Design, and Layout. So, seeing here, this table is actively selected. We have Table Tools, Design, and Layout now appear. You can move the table and resize it using the buttons on the top left of the table and the bottom right of the table. So you can use this button to move it and this one to move it and resize it as well. You're going to go to the Design tab. Number 34. Table style options. Table style options. So we're going to click the More button. And we're going to choose, we're going to unclick header and banded rows. Oh, to table style options right here. I'm getting ahead of myself. Okay, so Design tab. Table style options. Unclick header and banded rows. Then go to the table styles and you're going to choose this one right here. Grid Table 5 Dark Accent 6. Okay. Number 36 says Table Tools, Layout tab, Cell Size Group, AutoFit, and AutoFit Contents. So we're going to go to, we're going to make sure the table's still selected. We're going to go to Layout. Cell Size Group, AutoFit, AutoFit Contents. Okay, so now it's not taking up the entire width of the page. Okay, so 37 says click the plus sign by the table to select the table. Click the plus sign, so that selects the entire table. Then we're going to go to the Home tab, Paragraph Group, and we're going to center the table. Just like you'd center words and fonts. So click under the table, and hit Enter. And then you're going to type the remainder of the letter. Stop after the phone number. So we need to remember how to do bullet points after the bullet points, hit enter 3 times and type up the final paragraph. All right, we get to the point where we need to add those bullet points. We're in the Home tab, the paragraph group. We're going to select bullet points. You can choose, but I would not choose this one. I just think it's unprofessional. I'm going to select a simple bullet point, and I'm going to type what I need to type. Assist with food preparation at my family's local pastry, bread, and bakery business. By hitting enter, I get my next bullet point. I'm going to finish typing that list. When I am finished with that, list, I'm going to hit enter twice. Actually 3 times. So I hit it once to get my bullet point, once to get rid of my bullet point, and once to move it down to get the correct spacing. And I'm going to type that final paragraph. Okay, so after we've typed that final paragraph, I'm going to be right here in the directions, which is number 41. After the phone number, hit enter twice. 1, 2. Hit the tab key. That tab key takes you back over to 3.5, where the date is. I'm going to type sincerely, comma, hit enter 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tab over. I'm going to type the name Lana Halima Canaan. Notice this space. The reason that we have that big space and those 5 enters right there is because this is where, when you print it off, she would sign it. So if this was your letter, this is where, when you printed it off, you would add your signature. Then we're going to hit enter twice. We're going to type in closure, because that lets the person receiving the letter know that there is something in addition to the letter, which would be her resume, which we will do next week or in a couple of days, whatever. We are going to file, save as. We're going to upload it and turn it in, and you're finished.